styrofoam. So we are going to perform the ignition test.
This is the material we use. We have cotton, maong, silk, yarn, human hair, and dog hair. So first, we burn the cotton. It continue burning and it's produced red flame. Smells like burning leaves or wood and the color is gray. The next is silk. It smells easily and smells like burning plastic and the color is black. Next is the maong. It's continue burning with the fire. It smells like burning rubber and plastic. Next is the yarn. The yarn melts easily and smells like burning rubber and the color is black. Next is the human hair. It's burned quickly and smells like burning plastic and the color is black. And the last one is a dog hair. It's burned quickly and smells like rubber and the color is black.
Then next, I will put the different ashes into their respective glass.
Add a small amount of water and litmus paper and mix it thoroughly.
And the result of all our experiment are no reaction and they are all basic.